Things are getting complicated. Nothing's gonna stop this shit from sinking down. Think we need some mediation.
All right, Matt Breitenbach, that team here at 180 Pointe Mecox, one of my favorite homes to ever market and sell, $27.5 million. Let's check this place out. Modern, brand new, on the bay, 200 feet of frontage.
Oh baby, don't you play around with me tonight. If we go in, baby, don't do it tonight. Ooh. If we go in, baby.
Okay, so this home was designed by BMA Architects, one of the premier modern architects in the Hamptons. Landscape was done by LaGuardia Design. Major landscape architecture, major architecture all around. My favorite part about this house, I think also one of the most special parts about this house is this view. What's special about this view? It's three parts. You got bay, you have ocean, and you have farm.